What's up, everybody? It's me, Louie from UHS Hardware, here today with Eliana Busquila of Lock50. She's a really great trainer and a great partner in her business. Right now, they have some really great things going on for ALOA 2025, which is coming up right in the next couple months, August 3rd through 9th, with the actual expo on the 8th and 9th. She has some classes that are going to be doing live trainings. Eliana, go ahead and fill us in on that and a little bit of your background.
Awesome. All right, guys. So we're going to be having a live training event. It's going to be a kickoff event right before the start of the convention. It's going to be on Thursday afternoon from 4 to 6. Pro Locksmith Orlando is going to be hosting us at 9251 South Orange Blossom Trail. You're going to sign up on UHS's website. Louie's going to put a link down below and make sure that you guys sign up for that. We're going to have a car. We're going to demo how to do spare keys on a Land Rover, a new Land Rover. We're going to show how to get a car out of alarm mode. We're going to show how to do locked modules. So all this stuff regarding Land Rover programming and Jaguar, you're going to be seeing right there on display.
Very cool. Is it a specific one of the Lock50 sets you'll be using?
So we'll actually be showing how to do the A package, the B package, and the C package. All of your processes are going to be generally the same. We're also going to be showing how to do can wire alarm off. We're going to be showing how to do it the long way on a new car. We'll be showing how to do locked modules, everything that you're going to need to know to be comfortable to use these, make keys for these cars. You're going to get the information right then and there.
Very cool. Do you have like a exact list of models you'll be showing vehicles?
It's probably going to be like a 21 Range Rover. That seems to be the one that we can show the most information on.
Right.
So because that when we can do can wire alarm off, and then we can also do locked mod, demonstrate how to do a locked module. So it gives us a plethora of things to demonstrate so that you can see it all.
That's very cool.
And the process is going to be relatively the same, whether it's a 25 or a 21 or a 19. So it's going to show you how to do it on each of the different ones.
Is there any kind of limit on when they can sign up for this?
Well, you're going to need to do it definitely by August 7th. So we're going to have probably about 50 spots. We did get filled up pretty quickly last time. So if you're interested in going, and I know ALOA is going to be a pretty big conference, especially in Orlando. When we did it in Las Vegas, we did sell out of the space, and our space is going to definitely be limited. So you're going to want to get into it now. If you know that you're going, sign up.
Okay, great. Great news. Thank you so much, Eliana. Once again, make sure you sign up for this class by August 7th or you will miss out. Do not miss your chance to get hands-on experience on how to use this amazing, amazing package from Eliana. Anything else you want to say before we get out of here?
No, just if you're going to be going to ALOA, learn how to use Lock50. It's going to be a very fun event. We're really grateful to Pro Locksmith Orlando to be hosting us, and we look forward to seeing you guys.
Great. Thank you guys once again. Make sure you check the link down below. Click it, like this video, subscribe to us on YouTube. Make sure you're following along with everything we do here at UHS Hardware, and have a great day. We'll see you guys later.
Bye, guys.
That's great.